Hi everyone, my name is Vikas Raut. Welcome to my channel Digital Prime. Friends, in today's video, we are going to discuss about four major topics which I have already listed as you can see on screen. First, FI document posting, open and close posting period, tolerance group, and errors handling. So let's dive into the SAP application and we'll post the document and we'll also do the open and close posting period, tolerance group, how we have to define and how we have to set for the users. And if there are any errors which is occurring during performing these all the transactions, we will figure it out what are the best process that how we can handle it out those all the errors. So let's get into the SAP application. You can see that I have already logged in into my SAP application. So how to log in into the SAP application, I have already shown those all the process in my previous video. I would request you, if you have not watched my previous video, you can go to the playlist, and in SAP S4 Hana there you will find out the playlist and you can watch those all the videos from there itself. Even in this video in description also the links is already provided. Okay, so let's look into the Excel sheet. So the first thing is that we are going to do document posting. So let's try to post one document. I'm going to post one FI document using transaction code FB50. So you can see that it is enter GL account document company code ETOM. So ETOM is my company code. So here we can give the date, document date. So it is basically 01 and 1st of October 2023. Okay, a reference field, I'm giving a text and document header also I'm going to give a test. So you can see currency USD, and these are the basic details you're going to provide over here itself. And once you have completed with the header part, then you have to come towards the line items, and from here which GL account you want to debit and which GL account you want to credit, that you have to provide it out. So I'm going to debit my non-operating expenses, so this which I wanted to debit it out, and I want to credit my bank account. Okay, there you go. And let's select the credit. Here I'm going to do the transactions for 5,000 USD. Okay, and once these all details you have provided, please press enter. So the moment you are pressing enter, you can see we are having one error. So posting period basically 01023 is not open for the variant ETPP and account category plus. So basically what it is showing, that today is 1st of October and it is saying that the posting period is not open for the company code ETOM and the variant is ETPP. So let's try to figure it out what is the best solution. So we have to open the posting period for the month of October, basically posting period 10. So let's go back and SPRO. There are two different ways to go and open the posting period. So I'm first showing you through the path. So just type SPRO in the command box and then you go to SAP reference IMG, and then financial accounting global settings, then you go to ledgers, then you have physical year and posting periods, and at the bottom you can find it out posting periods. So here you can see open and close posting periods. So let's click over here itself and give the variant which was appearing over there itself, ETPP, which is my posting period variant, and click on this continue. And then you can see over here itself it is open from 9 to 9. It means that only for the month of September the period was open. For the October, now we are in October month, and that is the posting period of 10th month. So basically it is not open. So I'm just going to open the 10th for all these account category. So remember, it is very important to open the period basically for the first this plus as well. apart from these all account type as well. So if you are opening the posting period for all these account type and you are not opening for the plus category, then obviously the transactions, the system is not going to allow you for posting any kind of transactions, because that may create an inconsistency, and you may not be able to post any document. So it is very, very important to open. That is the main gate actually. The plus category account category is the main gate actually. Okay, so we have opened this, and then what we'll do, we'll save it out. Okay, now you can see that the data is saved, data was saved. So let's go back, FB50. Now let's give let's try to post the document now. So it's 01102023, that's the date. Reference field is test, I'm giving. Document header is also a test. And now I'm going to debit my non-operating expenses and credit my bank account. Okay, so in here itself I will debit my non-operating expenses, and there I'll credit my bank account. And the amount which we were discussing, that is a 5,000 USD. Basically it's a currency type is USD. Okay, and there you go. Now you press enter. Now you can see it does not give any kind of error, and now it is a green over here itself. You can see this balance is completely equal 0. Okay, so now what you can do is either you can post it out immediately right now, or what you can do is go to document menu, and you just go to simulate. So the moment you will click on simulate, it will show you how the document is going to look like the moment you will post the document. This is how it's going to look like, and then you can click on post. The moment you will post, it will create a accounting document. Now you can see that accounting document has been created over here itself, ending with 02. So if you want to see the document, now again you go to document and click on display. And the moment you will click on display, it will show you the accounting document, which which GL account got debit and which DL account got credit. So you can see non-operating expenses has got debited with the 5,000 USD, and HDFC bank account got credited with the 5,000 USD dollar. So in this way, we have done with our two process, that is FI document posting and open and close posting periods. Okay, and now we are going to look out for the tolerance group. So how we are going to handle the tolerance over here itself, and what are the errors that we are going to get while posting the documents. So let's get into the SAP application once again, and let me come out of it, and let me try to post the document once again, another document with the transaction code FB50. So let's post a document once again. Okay, and let's provide the basic detail once again, whatever we have provided earlier ones, and we'll do the same thing for the same accounting types. So we'll debit our non-operating expenses and we'll credit our bank account. Okay, and there you go. And here we'll do debit for non-operating expenses and credit for our bank account. Now at this time I'm going to post the value 12,000 rupees, 12,000 USD dollars for it. Okay, now what we'll do is let's press enter. Okay, so at this moment you can see we are getting an error. You may only post documents up to USD 10,000. So how we are going to resolve this? It means that it is the error is completely related to our tolerance. Means we are not authorized to post any document above 10,000 USD dollar. So how we are going to resolve that? So let's come back again, and let's go to SPRO and SAP reference IMG. Then you go to financial accounting, then financial accounting global settings. Again you go to document, and then you can see tolerance groups. So click on tolerance groups, and define tolerance groups for employees, assign user tolerance group. So earlier I have created one tolerance group, and the tolerance group which is assigned I will show you. First let's check the assignment, what tolerance group I have assigned for my, basically user. So my user is basically it's S4 user 45. Let's click over here itself. So you can see that SMGR is the tolerance group which is, assigned to my user. So let's come back and go to define tolerance group for employees and click on position and give SMGR and click on continue. So there you can see ETOM is my company group, it's my company code. So let's click on SMGR. So there you can see the amount per document is allowed only $10,000. Only 10,000 is allowed. Just because of that, there was an error while we are posting the document. So what we will do is either we will, increase over here itself the value, or we will create one blank, tolerance group, so that moving forward, if there is any, there should not be any inconsistency for posting the documents in terms of doc amount in documents. Okay, so what we will do is we will delete this. Okay, I'll delete, or else what I will do is first let's, increase the value over here itself. Let's consider it out 1 lakh. Okay, so one basically I have mentioned it out, I have increased the value over here itself, and let's save it out. Just save it, and then what you do is just go to, /o means it will open a new screen, FB50. And now let's try to post the document once again. 01st 102023 and test. Let's give a test. Let's enter all the basic details over here itself, and then go ahead over here itself and select your non-operating expense account, GL, and then you select your bank account GL. Define debit and credit over here itself, and mention it out 12,000, which we were supposed to, which we are posting in a earlier transaction. So now we have entered all the required details. Let's press enter. Now you can see we did not get any kind of error, and it is a green over here itself. The radio button has turned out green. And now what if we are going to, the debit and credit, both the value got $12,000. And let's go to document and click on simulate. So now you can see the document is going to be posted for the value 12,000 USD, where non-operating expenses GL will get debit and HDFC GL will get credit. So let's click on post. As you can see, the document number 03 ending with 03 has been created. So now go to document, click on display, and now you can see that this is the document which has been posted, and now you can see the accounting entry. So in this way, I have shown you this 3 major important topics in this video, where I have also shown you how you can handle it out, the errors which is occurring during posting the documents. I hope you have liked this video, and if you want any other topic video that you wanted to that you want me to create, definitely do comment in this video. Definitely I'll try to make a video on those all the topics. Thank you so much for your time and patience. Please do subscribe Digital Prime and keep supporting Digital Prime. Thank you.